How to perform a command line restore of Hyper-V and Exchange backups. This video demonstrates how to perform a command line restore of Hyper-V or Exchange backups. Networker module for Microsoft, NMM, provides the ability to perform command line restore of Hyper-V and Exchange backups performed with NMM. The command to use for restore is NYSER NMM-RC. The following video will outline an example of the below actions which are required to perform the restore. List the backups of the Exchange or Hyper-V client using the mminfo command. Locate the required save set and the backup time for this output. Run the NYSER NMM-RC command to do the restore of the database. First, we will run mminfo to list all the save sets for the Exchange DAG, called DAG1. Next, we will locate the SSID for the database that we want to recover, which is the DAGDB database. Here is the SSID. We will copy that. The second mminfo will display the details that include the numeric save time for that save set ID that we want to restore. This is the save set ID that we copied from this output. From the next output, we locate the save time, which is located here, and we can use the numeric value located here. Copy that and run the NYSER NMM-RC command. We'll relocate it to a path on the F drive in the restore DAG folder using the -t save time that we copied, which is this. And the last field is the name of the save set, which is from the previous output, or either output is the full path, is the full spelling of the save set. Use 2 slashes at the end, followed by the closing double quote, and run the restore. Restore completed. Last, we will look at the restore path, and we will find the files have been recovered to the restore DAG location. In this video, we performed a command line restore of an Exchange database using the command NYSER NMM-RC. The data was dumped into a destination directory. Once the save set is recovered as flat files, through the destination directory. The data can be used with native Exchange tools or third-party tools to recover the necessary items. Thank you.